guys, so right now, this is the first day ata to, ewan ko ba? First day. Friday! Wala akong sa school ngayon, kasi wala din pala ako sa school. Pero ang ginagawa ko is nag-review ako sa chem namin, kasi nga, we have examination for chem. The first day of chem. And right now, nasa first, ano pa lang ako? Nasa first, sa week 7 organic compounds. Hanggang 11 pa naman. 11 ba? Hanggang 10 lang. Week 10. Pero ngayon, nag-recall na lang ako kasi ano ka naman siya, napasadahan ko na siya. So, magre-recall na lang din ako. Ang pinakamahaba dito sa amin, pinakamahabang lang dito is yung week 8, which is hindi pa super ready. So, hanggang dito na ako. At hindi pa super ready. So, hanggang dito na. Saan ba? No, I know that one. Ayan, ang organic compounds. Ayan.
So, who am I as a person? If I'm being honest, I'm just a simple person. Walang special, walang extraordinary. Just someone trying to get through life. I go with the flow, kasi minsan, parang yun na lang rin yung choice ko. Curious ako, yes, but not too much. Kasi there's always that thought in my head that says, curiosity kills the cat. So I stay within the limits. I try to be kind, to understand people. Kahit minsan, hindi ko na rin maintindihan ang sarili ko.
Scene, guys. Bababa na kami. Bumaba na kami ng bundok. Nanggas ka lang sa bundok. Hindi na kami sa lola ko.
Who am I as a student? As a student, I'm trying. Hindi ako yung pinakamatalino, hindi rin ako yung pinaka-standout. But I do my part. I show up, I listen, I try to keep up kahit nahuli na ako minsan. Maingay ako, oo, but that's just me being coping, or that's just me coping. Being real in a place where I sometimes feel lost. Still, I hold on to the hope that maybe someday I'll be better. Striving is honestly one of the hardest things for me right now. Ang daming hadlang, ang daming bigat. There are days na gusto ko na lang huminto. Days na nawawala na ako ng gana completely. But then I remember my parents, lahat ng sacrifices nila. And I ask myself, titigil ba ako dito? So kahit ubos na ako, I keep going. Kahit ang hirap, pinipilit ko. Kasi wala naman akong ibang choice kung di lumaban, di ba?
Nakaswim ko lang. Ganyan pa ako tapos. Pero ayoko na mag-swimming. Hey guys, let's do them.
So, how do I maintain my mental health? Mental health is not something I can say I figured out. Most days it's messy, it's unstable, Madami tumatakbo sa isip ko. Problems, responsibilities, worries about tomorrow. Hindi lang school yung iniisip ko, kundi kung paano rin ako makakatulong sa pamilya ko. Nakakapagod siya. Sobra. But I keep reminding myself that it's okay to feel tired. Hindi naman kailangan maging okay all the time eh. Basta, hindi ako susuko. Ako maglalagay. Hawak-hawak mo pa. Ang galing mo talaga. Marwage. It's, ano na lang, ilang oras na lang. 1 hour before our check-out. Shit! Dito ko. So, kung mawibig na pag gagawin, may time kami, may lab kami bukas. Kaya, meron kaming stats sa thesis. Basta yung proposal kasi I like, presentation.
Good afternoon, guys. This is a boring day of my life. I'm just gonna show you what I do typically on a day or on a daily basis. Yeah. And like dito next week is this yes.
What do I do to cope, or what are the activities I do to cope up with my problems? To cope, I don't really have a clear answer. I just try to survive the day. I keep myself busy, having the store, taking care of my siblings, doing whatever I can para hindi ako masyadong mag-isip. And sometimes, pagkain. It sounds small, but it gives me comfort. Kahit saglit lang. It makes things feel lighter for me. So for the last question, what are your realizations and reflections in our current situation? Well, if there's one thing I've realized, it's that life is really harder when you have less. Sobrang hirap maging mahirap. Lalo na ngayon, every setback feels heavier. Every opportunity feels harder to reach. But at the same time, it made me realize how strong I can be. Kahit paulit-ulit na ako napapagod, kahit gusto ko sumuko, I'm still here. Still trying. And maybe for now, that's enough. Ito maglalaro kami guys. Follow up the instruction written in the board. Keep a score card, simple pen and paper. Ay, calculate, may papel ka? May ballpen ako. Ito na lang? Ayan na lang, pwede na ito. Uy, sulat ko pa ito sa anatomy. Sa ano, dito ko. Hindi gagawin na. Oo, magka-calculate. So while you watch us play, let me tell you some a really short story about me and my Laptop, which is my best friend. And Laptop is one of my truest friends that was with me through hardships, loneliness, everything. She was there right with me. She was the one who provided my food kapag hindi ko kayang kumain. Kasi nga, minsan kulang ang pera. Hindi ako nakakain ng maayos. And I'm truly grateful for her kasi kahit na ganun, sobrang mabait siya sa akin. Totoo. At mahal niya ako. Mahal na ko yan as a friend. Kasi may ano na ako, bebe. Anyways, me and Laplap, I would say sisters. Sister in other world or in every universe kami. I may not like kind of know how to express myself, but Laplap always know how to identify everything. I mean, like, she knows me. And I love her. Thank you for watching and for making it right at here. Thank you everyone, and I hope na you will like this video. Bye bye.
Mapapatasan ka na lang talaga. Uy, malakas ako kayo doon.
Sige nga, sige nga.
Saan mo ba sa kaming lahat? Magkakaiba kayo mga sagot natin.